These are the three major functions of moving averages. Let's add the MA30 to our chart. So now we have the MA30, first function, trend direction. So here the MA is clearly moving up. So we see that the trend is upwards. Here, the trend is kind of sideways, so there is no trend. Just looking at the MA30, the blue line here tells us there is no trend, trend is very weak, and so on. Second function of moving averages is acting as a level. In this case, because the trend is up, the level acts as support, or we could say dynamic support. So you see prices here finding support on the moving average. They drop, they find support. So in this instance, we could say the moving average is acting as support level for prices. And now the third function of moving averages is to show trend reversals. We see prices here surfing the moving average, moving upwards, but something happened here and prices broke down from the moving average and they continued selling down. So price break below a moving average indicates trend reversals. So these are the three functions of moving averages. One, where is the trend going, if there is a trend? Two, acting as support or resistance levels. And three, trend reversals. Have a great day, guys.